Dear students, welcome back to the physics class. Today we will discuss function of dielectric in a capacitor, that is accumulation of charge. Okay, at first we have to know what are dielectrics. Dielectric are insulating materials which transmit electric effect without actually conducting electricity. Simply you can say dielectrics are insulators. Okay, now that means electrons of the atom of the dielectric material are tightly bounded with the nucleus. Okay. Now suppose this is positive charge plate of the capacitor, this is negatively charged plate of the capacitor, and the direction of electric field is from positive charge to negatively charged, we already know, and we place a dielectric slab between the two charged plate sheets of the capacitor. Okay, then the nucleus of the atom of the dielectric slab are pulled towards the negatively charged plate, and the electrons of the atom of the dielectric slab are pulled towards the positive charged plates of the capacitor. So this produces an internal electric field inside the dielectric. Okay, and the direction of this internal electric field is from positive charge to negative charge, but it is just opposite to the external electric field between the two plates of the capacitor. So the net electric field between the two plates of the capacitor is E minus E dash, that is decreases. Okay, that is electric field between the two plates of the capacitor decreases. Okay, it becomes E minus E dash. So the potential difference between the two plates of the capacitor also decreases, since E is equal to V upon D. Okay, so the electric capacitance between the two plates of the capacitor increases. Okay, so we can say it can store, okay, capacitor can store more amount of electric charge. Okay, since its electric capacitance increases, that means it can store more amount of electric charge. Now next is dielectric strength. When we place dielectric between the two plates of the capacitor and we increase the potential difference between the two plates, then electric field between the two plates also increases. That means the atoms of the dielectric slab more stretched. Okay, atoms of the dielectric slab more stretched, and finally electron leave the atom. Electron leave the atom of the dielectric and make a conducting path between the two plates of the capacitor. This is called electric breakdown. So the maximum electric field that a dielectric medium can withstand without breaking down of its insulating property is called dielectric strength. Okay.